Hello everyone, I am Nahid and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to become rich by doing job. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So if you want to become rich by doing job, number one thing you can do, that is you should find out those jobs where employees get higher salary. As for example, you can do job in foreign bank or in foreign airlines in your country where employees get higher salary. Number second thing you should do, that is you should must develop a certain skill in you, because without having certain skill in you, no employers will give you higher salary. Number third thing you must do, that is you should always seek for appraisal or you should always seek for promotion. So in that case, if you are unable to get promotion in your current job, then you should switch your current job. Number fourth thing you should do, that is you should never rely on single source of income. You must generate multiple sources of income. So in that case, you should save 10% or 20% of money from your salary in every month, and you should invest those money in real estate or in bond or in Bitcoin. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.